Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. I apologize first for this video is going to be a little bit long. The reason for that is we have two type of reset. The first reset will be over here on the GPS system, and for those of you that has the car that is not equipped with the GPS system, we are going to reset it over here on this side now. But let's go ahead and reset it over here first. If your car is equipped with the GPS system, we're gonna do it here, and as you can see, we're at the home page. If you're not at this page, go ahead and hit home and it'll take you here to the home page. Now when you get here, go ahead and select the setting and go ahead and click on vehicle. Select the vehicle, go ahead and scroll all the way down to maintenance info and hit on the oil and filter, and go ahead and hit the reset if you are going to reset it. Now if I hit the reset, I cannot reset it on the other side, so I'm gonna leave you guys here. For those of you that are equipped with the GPS system, I'm gonna leave you here. Okay, just hit reset and you're done. Okay, now I still have to hit the home button to go to the other side. Now on this side, we will be using these buttons over here, the up, down, left, right, and enter. And we're gonna be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and press enter. Keep pressing enter until you find this. And now when you get here, actually go ahead and press enter again and get to the home page. Now when you get to the home page, go ahead and scroll down all the way down till you find maintenance. Go ahead and enter on that. Go ahead and scroll down to oil life, enter on oil life, and press and hold the enter button. Give it about a few seconds. It will reset, and that mileage indicator will return to, actually, one more step. I apologize, this is my first time too, by the way. So go ahead and scroll down to all due item, enter on all due item. Oh, I guess that's how we reset it, guys. Like I said, this is also my first time. This is 2021. It might work on the 2020, same model, same year. But yeah guys, so that's basically how you do it. So please click that like, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.